and today I wanted to briefly talk about why I think that the number one step towards world peace is finding your own inner peace. In our world today, we are surrounded by a multitude of social issues, but in order to bring everyone together and find unity, we must first dig deep and become one with ourselves and find our inner calm. Just like how in school we must fully understand the material before we can help others, we must learn to care about ourselves, to love ourselves, and fully know our self-worth, so that we can go forward and help others find their inner self and their inner calm, and that will ultimately lead to world peace.